there, this is Crystal, and today I'm here with my September Citrus Twist Kits order. This is super late because I was on vacation for about a week and a half, and I got the kit the day before I left. So I didn't have time to do an unboxing then, but I wanted to show it to you anyway, even though it's super late, and those of you who have ordered kits have already gotten them, I'm sure. But I wanted to share it with you anyway. I also have to apologize for my voice. I also got sick on vacation and I'm still recovering, but I'm back and at least I am upright enough to be able to show this to you. So I wanted to get it recorded and uploaded as soon as I could, so you could see the amazing things that were in this kit. So this is the Pocket Life kit from Citrus Twist, the September kit, like I said. I will go through that in a bit, but first I want to show you the other things that I ordered this month. So I normally get the Traveler's Notebook stamp set, but this month's was all about moms, and I'm not a mom, so it just didn't really apply to me. So instead I splurged on a couple other things. So first of all, I bought this die cut pack. This is, I think it's from an older kit from before the time when I subscribed, but I bought it because of some of these icons. If you can see that adorable fox and the bear and relax, unplug. I thought this would be great to use for the trip that I just took. Actually, we went to Michigan, to northern Michigan, to Sleeping Bear Dunes, and camped and hiked, and I thought this would be a good kit, or not a kit, a good pack of ephemera to use to document that kit. So that's why I purchased this. I'm not exactly sure when it's from. It was just in the shop. So I just bought it separately. So there is that. I also bought one of these amazing wood veneered TN covers. I'm gonna open it up and show you. This is front and back for a Traveler's Notebook size mini album, and these adorable kind of engraved hearts on the front. So I am super excited to use this. I'm not sure what I'll use it for exactly yet, but I couldn't pass it up. They had two designs available in the shop. This is the one I chose, and I couldn't be happier with it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm very excited to use that. And then I also purchased the embellishment kit. I'm usually tempted, each month I'm usually tempted by the embellishment kit, but and I usually restrain myself just because of money. It's the cost of it, but this one I just couldn't help mostly because of this, which I was intending to purchase anyway. It's the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane sticker set, and there are 4 sheets, so you get this. These are clear stickers with black print, and then you get these, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of like a build your own flower cluster type sticker. They're flowers and leaves for you to mix and match. And then these are more clear stickers, but in gold this time. And I'm absolutely in love with these leaves and stems in the gold. And then finally you get some hearts and stars, which of course you can never have too many of. So I was very excited about that. And then it also came with 2 pieces from the new Amy Tangerine collection, and I am blanking on the name of that right now. I will link it below, of course. I always link all of the products I mention below in the description, so I will be sure to link that below. But this is a craft sticker set, and I love craft. I do. I hardly use it because I don't know why I never think of it, but every time I see it I'm just in love with it. So you can see there's black and white and gold printing on craft here. It's 2-sided, and you get an alpha, which this month's Pocket Life kit doesn't come with an alpha, so I wanted to get something that I could use. Not that I don't have a million other alphas I could use in my stash, but it seemed, I don't know, a way for me to justify getting this embellishment kit. So it has this really pretty white on craft alpha. And then also these thickers, and they are chipboard thickers. They're phrase and kind of ephemera thickers, also from the Amy Tangerine collection that I can't remember the name of. But I thought they were they were pretty cool. I love it when I have titles kind of pre-made for me. That makes it really easy. So I'm excited to have some more of those. And the gold foil is absolutely gorgeous. So that is the ephemera kit. No, embellishment kit, sorry, embellishment kit. And then on to the Pocket Life kit. So I did open this up before I left because I got home from work that night and was really excited by it. So I opened it up and took a look at everything. So some things are out of the package, but it's all still here. I haven't used any of it. So I think you'll be able to get a good idea of what is here still. So let's start with the papers. The papers are Citrus Twist Kit exclusives this month. They are all 6x8. So there's this kind of denim print with white butterflies. There's a green gingham, kind of messy black dot on white, kind of white vine kind of print on yellow. These adorable bows, multicolored on a, I don't know if you can see, but that's a kind of a grid pattern in the back, like a ledger pattern. A wood grain, another dot. I don't know if, I think that's a dark gray on teal, and a stripe, a tiny little floral, a kind of a chevron stripe, another ledger. It's kind of a green ledger with some pink splatters, and then another floral. So those are the papers. And then for the, let's see, here they are, the 4x6 cards. Oops, there, we get 2 in this kit. There's this kind of mountain print. It's kind of an abstract mountain print. I'm in love with this card. I think it's gorgeous. I'm very excited to use that. And on the other side is just a simple 2018 with a kind of label on it. And then there's this floral with a pink circular grid on the back. And then of course there are the cut apart labels. And my cat has decided to use her scratching post right now, so that's super awesome. And then there was this little extra. Of course, we always get the little extra card, the Citrus Twist card. That's also very usable. So there was that, of course. And then there were these 2 etched wood hearts are a little something extra that we've added to your kit this month. And that's from Trina. And one says love and one says this. So those are super adorable. And then here are the 3x4 cards. So there's Night Out and Night In, Make Today Lovely, and Yikes, Today's the Day, and Every Hour Deserves to Be Happy. I love the cards that have the kind of rainbow text on them. Those are always my favorite. So this one, and this one's kind of a muted, a more fallish rainbow, which is very appropriate for this time of year. So very excited about that one. There's Master Plan and Things I Love About Right Now. And again, another kind of rainbow print. I Will Try Anything Once. And another, it's not really rainbow, I guess, but it's stripy, multicolored. All Together Now and Enjoy. I love this card. I'm so happy we ended up here, and some hearts, a little cityscape, and an ampersand, this view, and a heart on a green ledger background, a little floral, and that same floral print as the 4x6 card, and then this, and here, and I should be, but instead I'm, and get some sunshine and fresh air. So those are the 3x4 cards. We also got, instead of an alpha, we got these gold puffy stickers. So again, I love that there are built-in titles. I'm not sure, it's gonna be a stretch for me to use these in my Project Life spreads. They look more like something I would put on a layout to me. I mean, obviously the little hearts and things I can use, but we'll see. We'll see if I actually get them into a Project Life spread or if I save them for other layouts, but love them. The gold foil is absolutely gorgeous. It's beautiful. So those are the puffy stickers. And then we got some epoxy stickers as well. I hope I'm holding these so you can actually see them. So it says Everyday Magic, Getting It Done, True Love, Life Happens, good, meh, and then there's some little rectangular phrases as well. So those are really great. There were also chipboard stickers, and I love chipboard so much. I'm very excited that the last few kits have had these chipboard stickers in them. So you can see there's all kinds of different phrases, as well as some icons like hearts and butterflies and bows, and that adorable little pencil and the ruler that says break the rules. Oh my God, I die. Those are so cute. So very excited about these. I know that I will use those in my project life. And then there's also the stamp, which, see if I can get it straight. Doesn't look like it. That's okay. You can still read it. So it says, I'd rather be out and about today, loving this, life interrupted, today, tomorrow, on my list, completed, and then there's this little lined piece that you could, these things fit inside of, so you can make your own little journaling box if you want to. And then finally, the ephemera pack, which I'm not going to open it up because there's so much here, but I will show you the back. Let me make sure you can see that well. So I'm not very good at using the animals in these ephemera kits. Like that deer is adorable, but I have no idea how I'm going to use it. So I'm going to challenge myself this month, I think, to actually get it onto a page, and it probably won't be Project Life. I can maybe see it on a layout about my niece or something. Same with those birds. They are so stinking cute, but probably won't make it into my Project Life. But I'm going to challenge myself to actually use them and to get them onto some kind of page. So there is that. So that is the September Pocket Life Kit and the ephemera kit. No, I keep calling it that. It's the embellishment kit from Citrus Twist for this month. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon.